Hey everyone, it's Judy Clark, your Stampin' Up demonstrator here in Middletown, Virginia. Last week on my Stampin' with Crafty Clock Facebook page, I just did a post about the Crafty Color Magic tool. It's an interactive tool that you can use to help you pick colors based upon your theme, your designer series paper, whatever it is. But apparently, this is a pain point for a lot of us crafters and card makers and scrapbookers. Color coordination or picking colors that will work well together really is something that we all struggle with. So many people responded that they wanted a link to the tool, which was fabulous. I'm so glad to help people out. And a few people responded that once they got the link to the tool, they really weren't sure where to start. So I wanted to do a quick video to show you how easy it is to use. And then if you have any questions, feel free to DM me or leave a comment below. I'll be happy to answer any questions you may have. So let me get started. Let's share my screen so that I can show you how easy it is to use this tool. So this is it. This is what it looks like. It's built obviously on an AI platform. I've used ChatGPT here. And it basically says start here. So you can either click there or you can just start typing anything down here. I'm going to click start here. That will sort of introduce the tool. It will sort of say, this is what I can do for you. Let me know how I can help. So I'm going to say, I like to make a Father's Day card. I can't type and talk at the same time. Card. I need colors. Oh, and hit enter. Now it's going to give me back three color combinations. So here we have classic and masculine. It says night of navy, misty moonlight, or pecan pie. Rustic and earthy, mossy meadow, crumb cake, or early espresso, or modern and bold, pretty peacock, Cajun grays, or basic beige. Then it's going to give you some other hints like very vanilla, works beautifully, metallic accents, timeless plaid, DSP. So it's kind of just guiding you along. Now let's say you're like, okay, what would I use for a card base? I can't say it. For the card base and layers. Okay, and hit enter. And then it's going to say, oh, okay, here's how you can use it. So for the night of navy, misty moonlight, pecan pie, use night of navy as a card base, have a layer of misty moonlight, and your accent layer and sentiment piece could be pecan pie. You could also add very vanilla. So it's just going to take you through each one. And the more you ask it, the more refined you want to get with it, it'll go deeper. So it's so easy. It's like having a conversation. All you need to do is type in your question in the little ask anything bar, hit enter, and you started your color combination matching and picking. So I hope that you will try this tool. I hope that you find it useful. I sure do. I used it last week when I was doing a swap card, and I said I needed colors to go with blueberry bushel, and it gave me berry burst, granny apple green, and daffodil delight, which was just perfect. The card came out beautifully. So that's it. Let me know if you have any questions. Send me a direct message or leave a comment below. I'm happy to answer any questions that you may have. Have a great day, everybody, and stay healthy. Bye.